In this video, I will show you how to update Bluetooth driver Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. Now, it's important to make sure your drivers are up to date, especially for Bluetooth. So if you are having any problems, for example, connecting a Bluetooth device, then by updating your Bluetooth drivers to the latest version, this can potentially fix and resolve any problems. Now, there's actually two ways to update your Bluetooth drivers. The first way to do this from your desktop is to come down to your toolbar at the bottom, click onto the search box, and go ahead and type Device Manager. Underneath Best Match, you should see Device Manager come up. Give that a click to open up your Device Manager. And in your Device Manager, what you want to do is look for Bluetooth. So you can see that's just here. And then if you go ahead and click onto the small arrow next to Bluetooth, this is going to display your Bluetooth drivers and all your connected Bluetooth devices. So what you need to do is find your Bluetooth driver, which is generally an Intel wireless Bluetooth. It looks like this. What you want to do is click onto it and then right click to bring up this menu, and then go ahead and click onto Update Driver. What that's going to do is bring up a window like this. What we can now do is select the option to search automatically for drivers, and it's going to tell you if you have the most up-to-date drivers. Now, in addition to Device Manager, you can also update your Bluetooth drivers another way, and to do that from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your toolbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and then go ahead and open up your settings. If you don't see your settings here, just use the search box at the top, type settings, and open up settings underneath Best Match. So once you've got your settings window opened, what you're going to want to do is come across to this menu on the left hand side and scroll down to the bottom where you'll see an option for Windows Update. What you want to do is click onto Windows Update, which is going to take you to a screen like this. And from here, you want to come down to the More Options section and click onto Advanced Options just down here. On the next screen, if you come down a bit to the Additional Options section, you're going to see an option for Optional Updates. So if you give this a click, and if there's any actual driver updates for your Bluetooth, what you can do is download and install them using the Windows Update feature. So that's how to update Bluetooth driver Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.